Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Tomorrow is Sunday, May 11, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey, Alex. Coffee to survive the morning?
Hi, David. Yes, I need it. 3 meetings already.
Wow, tough start. I've got clients calling nonstop. You see the news?
Not yet. What's going on?
Big news in Europe. The EU made new rules for trade with Asia.
Oh, really? That's important.
Yeah, it's huge. More rules mean higher costs for shipping.
That's not good. It makes project budgets tighter.
Tell me about it. My clients are already asking about price changes,
It's tricky. One rule changes and our plans get messy.
right? I told a client yesterday prices might go up. He wasn't happy.
I understand. My team needs to adjust timelines now.
Do you think it'll cause big delays?
Maybe. We need to watch the news and be ready.
Always solving problems. That's our life, right?
Yes, coffee helps us think.
Speaking of thinking, did you hear about Google's new AI tool?
No, what's that?
It's for businesses. It writes reports and emails super fast.
That sounds useful. Writing reports takes me hours.
Same. I tried one AI tool last week. It saved me time.
It's great for work. My team uses AI to track project goals.
Really? Does it work well?
Yes, but it's not perfect. You still need to check everything.
True. AI helps, but it's not human.
Exactly. It's like a calculator. Good, but you need to know the numbers.
My clients want AI now. They think it's magic.
It's not magic, it's a tool. We still make the big decisions.
Yeah, like choosing coffee over tea.
That's the best decision. AI can't do that.
Technology moves so fast. Soon, AI might run our meetings.
Only if it brings snacks?
Hey, did you see that new music festival? It's all over the news.
No, tell me about it.
It's huge. Thousands of people, live bands and food trucks.
Sounds fun. I love music festivals.
Me too. It's outdoors with new artists. I might go.
I went to one years ago. The energy was amazing.
Nice. This one's got a mix of rock and pop. Very cool.
It's great to see people together. Music makes everyone happy.
Yeah, it's like a big party. No work, just fun.
I wonder if festivals will change. Everything's so digital now.
Maybe. But live music feels real. You can't get that online.
True. I miss real moments, too many screens.
Last weekend, I left my phone off. I read a book. It was great.
Wow, no phone? That's brave.
It was nice. I felt calm. No emails, no messages.
I want to try that. Just relax for a day.
You should. It's like a break for your brain.
Maybe we start a no phone club. Just coffee and talking.
I like it. Real chats, no screens.
We could get the team to join? Make it a thing.
Count me in. It's a plan.
Cool. Alright, my inbox is screaming at me.
Same. I have a report to finish.
Back to work. See you tomorrow.
Yes, same coffee, same time?
Have a good one, Alex.
Time to get to work. Practice your English every day, and you'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. I hope you have a great day.